Everyone, this is day two, and for day two, you are going to be continuing doing research for that 5 paragraph essay on should technology use be limited to only 2 hours a day for children 12 years of age and younger. So for today, you should be following steps 1 through 4 from day one, except the differences that it's a different article. So this is a con article. It's going to tell us reasons why technology is good for kids. Basically arguing that it should not be limited to only 2 hours a day for kids who are 12 and under. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the article and it'll take you down to page 16. Okay, so this article is by Scott Steinberg. So you're going to be reading this article, and just like day one, you're going to be finding 2 reasons that support, in this case, reasons why we should not place a limit on technology. Okay, so you're looking for 2 reasons that support that we should not be placing a 2 hour limit on kids' technology use. Okay, so let's say I've read this and I think this here is a good reason why we should not place a limit. Okay, so I'm gonna put that yellow, and I'm going to and my reason says research indicates that apps and games enhance kids' ability to multitask. Okay, so that is giving us a um, good reason for why kids should be, using technology. It helps them become multitaskers. And I'm going to go ahead and go up again to page 4 of my chart, and I'm going to paste it. And this time it's going to be on the con side. Okay, and you have the name of the article up here. And just like we did on the other one, we need to tag it. So I'm going to say in the article, right? And then we need our title now. For this one, I'm just going to copy and paste it, but it does not include the author. So I need to go back and put in the author. Okay, so our author is Scott Steinberg. And then we're going to need our verb. I'm going to say explains. And I want it to look like the writing that's already there. So I have to adjust it, take the bold off, have to, decrease the font size, and I have to change the font. Okay, so that it all looks pretty much the same. And now the only thing that I'm missing is my quotation marks around my quotes. Okay, and then once that's done, I have to drop it down here to the bottom and explain why this quote is important. And I will do that again down here at the bottom for a second quote. Okay, choose another reason why technology is good for kids and why we should not place a limit on it. And we're going to paste the quote here, and we're going to copy it. And we're going to explain the importance of it. So the last thing you need to do is, once you have your 2 sides, you've read the 2 articles, you heard both sides of the argument, reasons why technology should be limited, reasons why technology should not be limited to kids 12 and under. And this is where you're going to have to decide which evidence has the best rating for you, which side are you going to be on. So if you're pro, that means that you feel like you should have a limit, on technology use. And if you're con, you're going to be arguing you should not have a limit on technology use. Okay? So go ahead and decide and just highlight whichever side you're on.